Welcome to the course Python Debugging with Visual Studio Code, a complete guide. In this course, we will start with the very basics, how to run a sample Python program in debug mode, how to add the breakpoints, how to control the program execution during debugging, how to check the values of the different variables while we are debugging our code, how to evaluate the value of an expression from the debug console, how to inspect the different variables, how to use features like step into target and run into cursor. We would also explore what are conditional breakpoints, when to use them, how to use them. We will also learn how to use and when to use different kind of exception breakpoints. We will explore logpoints, usage of call stack in different scenarios, and many more. After advanced debugging section, we will learn how to debug Jupyter notebooks, how to effectively run and debug Python unit tests, how to effectively debug Pytests as well. We would also learn how to use Docker extension inside VS Code for Docker debugging purpose. We would create Dockerized version of Flask, Django, and FastAPI applications. Not only that, once those applications are created and successfully run, we would debug them in Docker. Apart from this simple and advanced debugging techniques, I'll also go through how to create serverless application from VS Code in 3 different clouds: AWS, Azure, and GCP. We will create sample serverless applications using AWS Lambda, Azure function, and GCP cloud function. We would debug them locally using VS Code, and we would deploy those created applications to the cloud from VS Code. And once we learn all these skills, I have 2 dedicated sections for problem solving, simple and advanced. Using the concepts that we have learned throughout the course, in the problem solving section, we would apply those skills to solve those simple and advanced problems. This course is totally hands-on. It would be useful for beginners as well as advanced users. If you are really willing to master the Python debugging using VS Code, I would invite you to join this course. Thanks a lot.